Hi friends, so I'm going to Bed Bath & Beyond to see what they have for Christmas. I hope you like coming along with me shopping, so let's go in. Alright, I found the red truck, and it's big, and I like that the headlights turn on. It's a really nice truck, it's big. Alright, and then they have some other little cute Christmassy stuff. Those are so sparkly, they're really pretty. Alright, I thought this Santa Claus stocking holder was really cute. The reindeers. Look how cute this barn, it's so sparkly. Okay, so I found the red truck. It's really pretty, it lights up. I love that one. Some trees. Okay, this one is huge. It's very pretty. Snow in there, and then like a tree, but look how pretty it is, the rope, then the little cork on top. This is really pretty, it lights up too. Okay, these are so pretty too. They're really pretty in person. They light up, they're little bells. Yeah, I like this place because I find unique pieces. Alright, this is like just candle holders. Comes in two, they're pretty too. Alright, this one's so cute. Santa has the reindeers on top of him, and that lights up too. Alright, some more candle holders. Those are pretty. These are really shiny and sparkly. Some more candle holders. Alright, this is more like, you know, your favorite movie, Christmas movie stuff, which that's my favorite movie with the leg. What is that? The Christmas Story. It's my favorite. The Moose. That's my favorite Christmas movie too. Vacation Christmas, right? And then they have shot glasses for the famous leg, I guess. Okay, and then if you want Snoopy stuff, they have a lot of Snoopy stuff in here, guys. That's a cookie jar, and it does sing when you open it up. It's too adorable. Alright, these candles smell really good. I just love them. The green one smells like a real Christmas tree, and what I love about it, it's a wood. So when you light those, it just crackles. I really like enjoy when there's a stick and hear the crackling sound like the fireplace is on. And these are the little ones. So, oh, and I love these. The little candles, and they just spell merry, joy, and peace. Okay, more candles. They had other candles, but I thought those were just special. These are pretty too. Alright, I found these little soaps. How cute to have in your guest bathroom, your kid's bathroom, or your bathroom. That says joy, and that is candy canes. Those are really pretty. I want the candy cane one. I like to make my guest bathroom like fun for my guests. Alright, these are so cute. They're mason jars, they're photo holders, but you know, you can use it for anything. They have little snow, I like those. Okay, and the Santa mailbox, of course. And look at this treetop I found. I just love it. And that is a stocking holder. Alright, just some more bows. I just wanted to show you that they do have some stuff in here if you're interested. I like these because these are, you know, the card holders. I thought they were like really pretty. Alright, these are little bags so you can put gifts in, which I thought they were really cute and inexpensive and just so pretty. Alright, and I found some flock trees. They're not huge, but just for decorating. And then I found Santa's legs. Some more trees. They're not huge, they're little. Okay, and I found a huge stocking, which would be cute just to fill up with a whole bunch of stuff. Alright, this is my dream mixer for the holidays, for Christmas, just to take it out and start baking, but it's $4.29, and I like that blue color too. Alright, and then I found this Lennox Tablecloth. I just love it with the scallop edge, and then the napkins to go with it. Yeah, that's why I love coming in here. I love finding things like this. Alright, I went to the Lennox section. Sorry, it's a little fast, but the Lennox Plates, the soldiers, the glasses, the cups. This is a really pretty set, guys. I love it. And then, you know, just I think they had some ornaments too. And then plates. Alright, this is cute for a little gift. It's stocked as a little chocolate. You know, if you just want to give teachers or co-workers. Alright, and then they had some wreaths. I'm not going to really go into depth, but I thought this was nice. This you put on each of your windows, and it comes in threes, which was great. Alright, and this is garland lit up for your door. And then just like kitchen towels. And then I found some placemats. I like this one. This one was really pretty and soft and like quilted. And then of course, this one's my favorite, the red car. Alright, this one is nice for the kitchen. It's huge, but it's memory foam, very good quality. And then just a regular like mat. That was a really nice foam mat. And then some kitchen towels. Alright, and the pot holders. I want to show you the pot holders. It was Santa and the snowman. Those were cute. Alright, and then I found the utensil holders, which I bought these because I love them. And I thought they were pretty knitted. Alright, and some more napkin holders. Just variety. I like Rudolph. And then a table runner. And then the placemats are really, really pretty. And then some towels. Alright, I love this. You can put in your doorknob, but I love that the bells were black. Taking that too. Alright, and then I found a snowman that's lit. And a candle stand. And then some candle holders. Okay, I found these napkins. You know I'm in love with it because I love plaid. So, comes in a 4-pack. And then I found some runners, which were pretty. Some more kitchen towels. These are really thick quality. Alright, I love these towels for the guest bathroom and for even the master suite, you know, with your initial on it. I just love it. Alright, so right here is for the bathroom. They were shower curtains. They had so many. And now these are like towels for the bathroom. More shower curtains. Okay, and I love these soap dispensers. The little house, the truck, and my favorite is the Santa. And he does light up. I want that for my guest bathroom. And then a little Mickey one, Mickey ears. And then some other little like trays. Some washcloths. And then these are the towels they have. You know my favorite. You see up there the shower curtain, the vintage Santa. I'm in love with it. Alright, and then they had chair covers. They have a lot of stuff in here. And then they had some poinsettia napkin rings, some more tablecloths, and I found my tablecloth. I love it. And that's the napkins I found over there that match with them. Very pretty. Alright, and I found other towels for the guest bathroom or your master suite. The only things I picked up was this, which I love. It is so big. I want to put on the top of my tree. I'm thinking I'm going with this year. That video will be coming up, how I decorate my Christmas tree. And then I got these bells. I thought they were cute. I'm going to put it on my door because actually my dogs, you know, I have other bells on my door. So my dogs hit the bells so I can know to take them out to do potty. So I'm going to put this and they can use this for that too. But this is really pretty. It's pretty long. And then of course I got the utensil holders. Look how cute. Just wanted to show you guys the little cute mittens. I can't resist mittens. So that's all I got. And I want to go back and get the mason jars. I didn't get it that day. I was debating, but I think I'm going to go back and get them. They were really, really cute. All right, so that's all I picked up today. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me shopping. So if you do, give this video a thumbs up. And I hope you guys have a beautiful holiday season. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!